Hello, everyone. Ever worried someone might be snooping on your Instagram from another device? Let's ensure your privacy by logging out from all other devices. Stick around. Kick things off by opening up your Instagram app. Navigate straight to your profile. Spot those three lines on the top right. Tap on it. This will reveal some option. Then, you want to select Settings. At the top right, there's Account Center. Tap it. Now, focus is on password and security. There are two ways to go about this. One is changing your password, which lags out from everywhere. But if you love your current password, let's try another way. Click on where you're logged in. Here, you can see all the devices your account is active on. You can manually pick devices to log off from, or go nuclear and select them all. Now, all that's left, hit Logout. And just like that, you've safeguarded your account from prying eyes. That's your app. Simple, isn't it? Don't forget to share this video with those who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Goodbye.